Before you commit to buying Doola, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. Stick around until the end, and I'll break down what sets Doola apart from its competitors, along with some insights that could save you time and money in the long run. Plus, I'll share how you can try it for free using the link below. First up, Doola's primary function is as a platform designed to help you easily form and manage your LLC or corporation. It's incredibly user-friendly, especially if you're new to starting a business. But how does it compare to the likes of LegalZoom or Inkfeel? Doola offers a streamlined approach, eliminating a lot of the complex jargon that you might encounter with competitors. Their service is simple, intuitive, and tailored to first-time entrepreneurs. Plus, they walk you through everything, step by step. Next thing to know is that Doola focuses heavily on supporting both US residents and international entrepreneurs. Unlike some other services that only cater to domestic clients, Doola lets you form an LLC or corporation with ease, whether you're based in the US or overseas. This is perfect for digital nomads or anyone who wants to set up a business in the US from abroad, offering a level of accessibility that many other competitors lack. The third thing you should know is about Doola's pricing. Unlike many services that slap on extra charges as you go along, Doola has transparent pricing. Everything you need to get your LLC or corporation off the ground is clearly listed, with no hidden fees. This makes it easy to compare them to competitors who tend to bury costs in the fine print. But keep in mind, you'll want to choose a plan based on the level of support you need. Some competitors offer a more basic entry plan, but Doola provides higher tiered packages that give you more value upfront. Now let's talk about Doola's customer support. One major advantage over competitors like LegalZoom is that Doola's support team is known for being responsive and actually helpful. Their live chat support is top-notch, and you won't be left waiting in long queues or dealing with generic, unhelpful responses. This is critical when you're forming your LLC, as you might need to quickly sort out questions or issues that arise. The fifth thing to know about Doola is that they provide a ton of resources. When you're starting a business, you need more than just an LLC formation service. You need guidance. Doola offers a comprehensive knowledge base, templates, and expert advice that helps you grow your business long after you've filed your paperwork. They go beyond simple registration and focus on helping entrepreneurs build strong foundations. This is a major differentiator when you compare them to services that only get you through the paperwork and leave you to figure out the rest on your own. Next, let's discuss how Doola integrates with other tools and services. If you're building your business online, Doola has strong integrations with platforms like Stripe, QuickBooks, and more. This means you can set up your business and seamlessly connect it to the tools you'll need for day-to-day operations. This is a big plus compared to competitors that don't offer such integrations or charge extra for them. Lastly, Doola offers a unique benefit for US and international customers. They handle all the paperwork for you, including acquiring an EIN, employer identification number. While competitors may charge extra for this service, Doola includes it in the base package, making it much easier for you to get your business up and running without having to deal with the IRS. If you're still on the fence, remember that you can try Doola completely free by clicking the link in the description below. This is a fantastic way to test out their platform, and you'll also unlock exclusive benefits you won't get anywhere else. Doola stands out for its simplicity, accessibility, and powerful features, whether you're in the US or abroad, and whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or an experienced business owner. So if you're ready to start your business the right way, click that first link in the description and give Doola a try with the best free trial available. Get started today and experience the benefits for yourself.